Hello everyone, today we going to fill Ireland visa form. First of all search VFS, Ireland on Google. Then click on http://www.vfsglobalirelandvisa.com India. So let's start. Firstly click on online visa application. Now scroll down and click on Irish Naturalization and Immigration Service. Now on this page click on continue. Now on this page read all the information carefully. And then click on selection box and click on AVAT's online application form. So here's your form. Let's start to fill. First of all, select what type of visa you're required. Then select your journey type. Then enter your reason to travel in Ireland. After that enter your purpose to travel in Ireland. And then enter your passport type. And passport number. After all these you enter your proposed dates to visit and leave Ireland. After finishing it save and continue. Now on second page, firstly fill your surname and forename. If you have another name, then write it. Otherwise leave it. Now fill your date of birth and gender. After that fill your country of birth and your nationality, then your current location. After an end enter your address, phone number, and email ID. After finishing it save and continue. Now come to third page. First, fill since when you are staying in your current country. Then confirm that do you have permission to return to that country. After that enter are you exempt from the requirement to provide biometrics. Then enter have you applied for an Irish visa before. After that enter have you ever been issued an Irish visa. Then enter your location of application or reference number if you applied or enter an Irish before. After this enter have you ever refused an Irish visa. Then enter have you ever been to Ireland before. Now fill the do you have family members living in Ireland. Then fill have you ever been refused to enter Ireland before. After that fill have you ever been notified of a deportation order to leave Ireland. Then fill have you ever been refused a visa to another country. Now enter have you ever been refused entry to or deported from or otherwise required to leave another country. After anything happens which is given above kindly write the details about it. Then enter have you any criminal convictions in any country. After finishing it save and continue. Now come to the fourth page. Enter your issuing authority of passport. After that enter your date of issue and date of expiry. Then confirm it that is it your first passport. If yes then finish it click save and continue. If not, then enter the details of your previous passport. Now come to the fifth page. First enter your currently employed country. If yes, then enter your current employer. Duration of employment. And after that enter your designation. Then enter your company address. After that enter your company phone number and email ID. Then enter that you are a student or not in your country residence. After finishing it save and continue. On next page enter yes if you the traveler with any other person. Now enter the address of who is hosting you in Ireland. Or if you travel then enter your hotel name and address. And enter the person who is hosting you in Ireland as your family member or friends or not. After finishing it save and continue. Okay now in next page. First enter your marital status. Then enter if your spouse or partner traveling with you. Then if you have children then enter the number of children you have. After finishing it save and continue. And end, enter did you receive any assistance in completing this form. After all this click save and continue and preview your form. Now your form is ready to submit.
Thank you for watching this video. We have hundreds of videos for different countries on visa application on our channel. Do you know many people make big mistakes in filing their visa application forms, which leads to visa rejection? Don't worry, we are here to assist you. If any country visa application form you feel is not there, then don't worry, comment in the comment box. We'll create it. We have many other videos related to travel which will help the traveler. Don't wait, my friends. Hurry, subscribe our channel now and click the bell icon if you want the instant updates. And also share this video on your WhatsApp groups with your friends.